What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Guys, make we reason. Make we have a dialogue. Make we sit down and talk about something where arrive in my brains from the video we make yesterday and from listening to Alicia Kim talk about this jet ski situation. Guys, I listened to what me say yesterday. I listened to what Alicia Kim say, and I sit down and I look into a lot of things, and I come up with some things we want to talk to you about. Welcome, guys. Welcome to Rodney's Lifestyle, Real Talk TV. How you do? Honestly, you know, all right. I hope each and every one of you is in good health and good strength. And as always, guys, I hope you don't feel no pain at all. No pain. Remember, no pain. If you don't feel any pain at all, remember what to do. Go check the doctor, call the doctor, go to the doctor and make the doctor come to your house if you have the money. But if you don't worry yourself. We're going to have somebody from your family come and check you and take you to the doctor. Guys, wellness check. Have you done your wellness check yet? Please, I'm asking you to do your wellness check. And guys, mental health crisis is on a rise. Mental health crisis is a very serious thing that we all need to check ourselves and fix ourselves that we are in good health. If today is your birthday, happy birthday to you. Go out and have a nice time. And if you drink, don't drive. And if you drive, don't drink. If you don't have a car or you don't have somebody to pick you up and you go take a taxi, take a picture of that license plate, take a picture of the vehicle or the driver, send it to your friends or your family. Guys, thank you very much for watching the videos. Keep watching the videos. Keep liking the videos. Keep pushing this channel to as far as it can go while I gather the information and give you things in my opinion and from my take. Guys, I have been sitting, listening, looking, and wondering to myself, why did Mackie really and truly, knowing that Alicia Kim cannot swim, why did Mackie carry her on the jet ski? And I'm going to add that with why did Mackie go outside of the boundary, outside of the buoy with Alicia Kim on the bike? Why the bike never turned over before they reached the buoy, but it turned over after the buoy? Why he didn't help her? And I had those things up. And I remember when Alicia Kim said it was after that vacation, Mackie filed for divorce. Now, my viewers and subscribers, I am going to say this. Did Mackie did what he did with the jet ski to get Alicia Kim off the jet ski to go in that water out in Mexico, Cancun, Mexico, for shark to eat her? Do you think that was what Mackie objective was? Because guys, if Mackie objective was of anything good, there is no way Mackie would go outside the boundary, knowing that his wife at the time cannot swim, and to ride the bike so bad that the bike turn over and Alicia Kim, who cannot swim, would fall off the bike in the water outside of where they said you should not go with the jet ski and was there dangling around. What was he waiting for? What was Mackie waiting for while Alicia Kim is in the water and he is on the jet ski, not going to help her? Was Mackie waiting for the shark to come and get something to eat? Guys, this is a different kind of world we're living in. What was Mackie's objective? If that wasn't Mackie's objective, what do you think was the whole idea of going outside of the buoy, the bike flip over, Alicia came in the water, you went on the bike and you didn't went to pick her up. So if the objective wasn't for shark to eat her or for her to drown, but she have the life vest on. So if she have the life vest on, that means she wouldn't able to sink. She would able to stay afloat. But you know she have the life vest on. So what was your objective? If it wasn't for like you bring food for the shark, did you have a life insurance out on Alicia Kim that nobody knows about? And the question stands, and the question is, why did you file divorce right after Cancun, Mexico, when it was a loving trip, it was a good trip? Yeah, it's guys, guys, I'm telling you this. It's set into my mind all night, all day that something ain't right. And then I have dialogue with someone. And while talking, it's not looking good. It's not looking good. The only reason why it's looking good is because Alicia Kim is not with you, Mackie, anymore. Because I believe you make a couple attempt on that young lady's life. This one is deep. This one is very deep. While I was making that video yesterday, in the back of my mind, after you pass that buoy, that's a no-no. And when I sit down and I look at it, out in Cancun, Mexico, outside of the buoy, they said about 2 miles outside of that buoy, all the buoys out there in Cancun, Mexico, is shark infested. Yeah, after I went and do my checking, it is shark infested area outside of the Cancun, Mexico. Right outside there, it's shark infested. A lot of shark. And I go tell you something. It have happened already in Cancun, Mexico, where shark bit the leg of tourists. It happened many times too. It happened in Florida. It happened in California. It happened in a lot of places. My thing is, what was your real objective? Mackie, this thing make me really look at life in a many different ways. God is good. God is good. Because if you sit down and look at this whole thing, why you did not go back to if is even to surround your wife with the bike. You could have gone very close to her that she could hold on to the bike. But you didn't do that. But you just sat there on the bike. For what? What were you waiting on? Were you waiting for the jaws of the shark to come? However, they didn't come. So it mashed up your plan of getting insurance money, or what was really your objective? Alicia Kim, any which part you're in this world right now, if you're watching this video, or if whatever you're doing, go down on your knee and pray. Go down on your knee and pray. Because remember me tell you, God save you. God was in that water with you. God and God alone did in that water with you. Remember me, I tell you that. Because that man, Mackie, planned that and it didn't work out. It backfired. Right after Uno left from that vacation and go home, you, Alicia Kim, said that's the time the man filed divorce. Why would you file for a divorce when you just coming off a very nice trip with your wife? This no had up. This no had up. This now make no sense. This not looking like how it should be looking. My viewers and subscribers, to each and every one of you out there, the Real Talk Massive, the Talk Up crew, the Michelle Scope crew, the Juliet crew, Alicia Kim crew, the Big Up crew. Are you all listening to what I'm saying? Did Mackie carry Alicia Kim out in that water, past that buoy, make she drop off of the jet ski, him go up back on the jet ski and was there on the jet ski watching Alicia Kim waiting for that big bite? Wow. Mackie bring Alicia Kim, who cannot swim, out in the ocean. For what? To enjoy ourselves or to watch her go under? This is not a joke. This have never been joke to me. It have never been joke to me. And when I hear Alicia Kim say this, it really stick out. And I go tell you something.
Of course, communication is usually the best way.
It 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 just it just now had up to me. And the reason why it now had up to me is there's no way you should have a wife or a woman and you want to do that to them. And today I'm going to read, I'm going to read, I'm going to talk to my friend Gemini. Good morning, Gemini.
Good morning. What can I help you with today?
I would like for you to read Isaiah 41:10 for me, please.
Okay. Here's Isaiah 41:10. Fear thou not, for I am with thee. Be not dismayed, for I am thy God. I will strengthen thee, yea, I will help thee. Yea, I will uphold thee with the right hand of my righteousness. Is there anything else I can read for you, or maybe talk about this passage?
Yes, talk about the passage for me, please.
That verse is all about reassurance and comfort. It's like God is speaking directly to someone going through hard times, telling them not to be afraid because He's there, that He's their God, and He'll strengthen them, help them, and basically hold them up. People find a lot of strength in these words when they feel lonely or weak or overwhelmed. Is there anything specific about it that resonates with you?
No, no, not at this moment. I will be back in a little bit to talk to you.
I understand. Whenever you're ready to chat more, I'll be here. Take care till then.
All right. So, guys, you all hear that little Isaiah 41, verse 10. Yes. Guys, this is different. This here piece, it's different. It's not a joke. This is serious business. Serious. I would like for you all to sit down and take a good look at what could have happened to Alicia Kim. Alicia Kim, I want you to sit down really good and take a good look. Take a good look back and see what could have happened to you from the hands of a man who married to you and say he loves you. You was in the ocean. In other words, all by yourself, waiting, waiting, waiting to be some big jaws shark dinner, and you have no idea. You have no idea that you almost was going to be the dinner of Jaws. The viewers and subscribers, I know that sometimes when I talk, people cringe because of how I talk and how I put words and how I put things. But I'm not joking with this. I am not joking with this. This, it happened already. Yeah, it happened already. But now to know that this happened, because if Alicia Kim never said this happened like this, no, and I look at it, I wouldn't even be realizing that this man tried to feed his wife to the ocean. You fall off of a jet ski within the boundary of the jet ski, no problem. But you fall off a jet ski outside the boundary that you should not be with a person who cannot swim, and you did not go back for that person to help that person. You have a plan. The plan was for that person to be eaten by mammals. Then you have people supporting this kind of man. You have people supporting this kind of human being, or this kind of demon, or this kind of whatever you want to call it. The viewers and subscribers, I need enough to look into this. I need enough to see it. I need enough to see it and see it for what it is, because this could have been a dangerous situation. We wouldn't be here. talking about Alicia Kim. Or maybe the only thing we would be saying is, you remember that girl where they made her go up on the jet ski and the shark they eat her? Yeah, maybe that's what we would be saying. Some viewers and subscribers. And to all of you ladies out there and men who is going through trial and tribulation in these relationships, remember, you are not alone. Remember the word. You must, every time you comment the word, I am not alone. Yeah, man, and say it loud and say it proud too. Don't say it and be afraid. Say it loud and proud. And guys, remember, I have the t-shirts. You are not alone. Coming up is another set of t-shirts. I'm going to post them out there, going to put them out there. Go over there and purchase one of those t-shirts and wear it loud and wear it proud. You are not alone. The viewers and subscribers, until the next video, I'm out. Bye.